Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Google Maps on your device and centering on the area you want. You can allow location access to auto-center or type an address in the search bar. Once centered, begin the first zoom action. Pinch on touchscreens or scroll with a mouse wheel. If using a laptop, two-finger trackpad pinch works too. These initial actions set the map scale so subsequent precise zoom controls are effective and responsive for the task ahead. Once done with the initial pinch or scroll, refine the view using the built-in controls. You can click the plus and minus buttons at the corner for predictable one-step increments, and double-click or double-tap to jump in quickly to a focal point. For granular adjustment, slowly rotate the mouse wheel or micro-pinch on a trackpad. This gives precise scale control. Make sure to watch the scale indicator, and map labels change, so you know why each step improves readability. Complete the process by choosing the map layer that best shows your details, satellite for imagery or terrain for elevation, then place a pin or marker to lock the view. If your map feels off, reset by recentering or using the default zoom to return to a known scale. If zooming is jumpy or unresponsive, clear the app cache, reload the web page, or restart the app. These steps usually fix input lag and ensure your next zoom actions behave predictably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.